down.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Beanie's Bearded Vlogs, where we go over frequently asked questions of the bearded community and things of that nature, as well as the minoxidil journey. This is minoxidil day 1. I'm going to show you how to apply the foam minoxidil, and this is also day 1 of the minoxidil journey. When it comes to applying minoxidil, you have to, it says on the bottom, for best results, use twice daily. Now, after you put this stuff on, you have to wait at least 4 hours in order for it to fully get absorbed into your skin. So what you want to do is you want to apply half a cap twice a day. That should be about 1 milliliter. And when it comes to filling the cap, you want to shake it up. And you want to hold the bottle directly down, upside down. About half a cup would be about like right there. Put it directly upside down, about halfway. That's about halfway. You would take it. I've seen multiple ways and forms on how to do this, but you would take it. That's how I plan to do it. Take it, put it on my beard. Take some more right there. Then I'll put some in the problem areas, because I have patches on that side. And then you take some and put it on that side. Then you would allow it to fully, your beard to fully ingest it immediately. Put it in the opposite way so it gets in your skin. Then you put it in your skin, then it dissolves into like this liquid. So what I would do now, take it, pour it in my hands, rub it together. And this is how I plan on doing it. Right afterwards, you would want to wash your hands because you wouldn't want to be eating on anything. And if you have pets or children or anything, this can be potentially harmful to the pets or to the children. And you will put this on twice daily. The time now, I don't know when you're seeing this, but the time now is 10:30 a.m. So you'll wait in the span of 12 hours and you'll put it back in. I'm going to be putting mine back in at 10:30 p.m. So I will keep you guys updated. I try to do this at least daily. If I can't do it daily, I would update you guys weekly. Every week I will show you guys my progress, my results, my gains, and everything. And this video, this series, this channel will also include how to line up your beard, how to maintain your beard, different things you can put in your beard in order to help you guys out. So yeah, this is day 1 of my minoxidil journey. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for staying tuned. As always, please drop a big thumbs up on the video, and the link for the minoxidil oral game that I am using will be in the description below. So thank you guys. Have a blessed day and peace.